All right, y'all, we're gonna make creamy chive steakhouse, beef and noodles. We're starting with 2 pounds of cube steak. Get that evenly over the bottom, and once you got your cube steak down there, we're gonna put one 8-ounce pack of creamy chive and onion cream cheese. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Once you got your cream cheese in there, we're gonna also put in 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup in there. And once you have your 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup all in there, we're also gonna put 1 pack of brown gravy mix into that, as well as some garlic powder and some black pepper. And once you got your black pepper on there, finally you're gonna want to put 1 cup of beef broth. When your beef broth is in there, go ahead and stir all them flavors around. Sorry, my daughter's joined the video. So once you have this all mixed together, go ahead. We're going to put our lid on, and we're going to cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours. All right, y'all, my daughter is sleeping, so I'm going to talk a little more quiet for the end of this video. So once you have it cooking for 4 to 5 hours, go ahead and you're going to want to take your meat out. Get you some scissors or some kind of cutting device. Cut them into nice little pieces. See, it's nice and tender now. It's falling off. So easy. So get them cut into nice little pieces. All right, and once you've cut up all your pieces, we're also going to add 1 cup of sour cream to bring a little creaminess, flavor, and tanginess into the recipe. Once you got your sour cream, go ahead, mix that all together so the sour cream and that cream cheese we put in earlier is all mixed together pretty good. And once you got that pretty good mixed together, we're going to add 12 ounces of cooked egg noodles. Get that nice and folded in. All right, y'all, once you got that nice and mixed together, this baby's ready to try. Let's dig in. Look at that. As my daughter likes to say, yummy. Let's give it a try. Y'all, that is fantastic.